Because the only difference between the viewer and me is this.
Right.
That's the only difference, because this gives more confidence. This allows more connections. This allows more money. So I realized that I just had to transform this, and everything else would lay itself according to plan. Instead of hustling, I just had to become that which I wanted to be. And I did it. So I went from the kid washing the dishes to now the retired multimillionaire in my 20s in Switzerland, because I became the person that had the ability to do that by inserting the right information. It worked.
It definitely worked.